In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a customer in the Doordash Dasher app during an active delivery. When you need to reach a customer mid-delivery, maybe to clarify directions, confirm a drop-off note, or share an updated arrival time, the safest and most reliable way is through the built-in tools in the Dasher app. These tools keep your personal details private and make sure there's a record of the conversation, which can be helpful if any questions come up later. Start by opening the Dasher app while you're on an active delivery. If you're driving, pull over safely before interacting with your phone. Once the app is open, make sure you're on the active orders screen. You'll see a card or banner for your current order, along with details like the restaurant, customer name, initials, and destination. Next, tap the order you want to communicate about. This opens the order details page, where you'll find delivery notes, the map, and other helpful information. Taking a moment here to quickly review the notes can save time. Sometimes customers include gate codes, buzzer instructions, or preferences for a contactless handoff. From the order details page, select Contact Customer. This option is dedicated to communication and is the best place to initiate any outreach. Using this button ensures all messages or calls are connected through Doordash's system. Now choose whether you want to call or message the customer through the in-app options. Calling is great when timing is critical, for example, if you're at the address and can't access the building or you need an immediate response. Messaging works well for quick updates, like letting them know you're on the way, that you're experiencing a brief delay, or that you're following specific drop-off instructions. Keep your tone polite and professional and keep your messages short and clear. A simple introduction such as, "Hi, this is your Dasher," helps the customer recognize who's reaching out. Always use the in-app call or message tools instead of your phone's native dialer or texting app. This protects your privacy by masking your number and ensures Doordash logs the communication. That record can be useful for confirming that you reached out, especially if there are delivery complications. That's all there is to it. Open the Dasher app during an active delivery, tap the order, select Contact Customer, and choose to call or message within the app. With these steps, you'll communicate quickly, professionally, and securely every time.